Hello, future scientists. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of reproduction, specifically focusing on plants. Today, we'll uncover the incredible contributions of an Indian scientific pioneer, Professor Panchanan Maheshwari, whose groundbreaking research revolutionized our understanding of how plants reproduce. We'll explore his work through 4 levels of depth: easy, medium, hard, and hardest, ensuring everyone grasps the impact of his brilliant mind. Let's begin. Ready to discover how a great Indian mind helped us understand the secret life of plants? Let's start with the basics. Professor Panchanan Maheshwari was a true giant in Indian science. He was a botanist, meaning he studied plants. His main focus was on something called plant embryology. This field looks at how tiny plant embryos, which are like baby plants inside seeds, grow and develop. Imagine studying how a little seed turns into a big tree. Professor Maheshwari's dedication made India a very important place for this kind of research, putting us on the global map. So, what exactly is plant embryology? It's simply the study of how a plant embryo forms and develops within the seed. Professor Maheshwari meticulously studied the entire life cycle of flowering plants, from the moment of fertilization to the formation of a mature seed. One of his most amazing contributions was developing ways to grow plant parts, like embryos, outside the plant itself, in a test tube. This technique is called embryo culture or in vitro culture. Think of it like a tiny plant nursery in a lab. For example, he could take a very small, undeveloped plant embryo and help it grow into a full plant in a controlled environment. This was a huge step for science. Time for some quick thinking. Here are 3 practice questions to test your understanding of Professor Maheshwari's initial contributions. Make sure you can answer them before we move on to the next level. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the life and incredible achievements of Professor Panchanan Maheshwari. Get ready for more fascinating details. Professor Panchanan Maheshwari, born in 1901 in Jaipur, was an exceptionally bright student who pursued his passion for botany, earning his D.Sc. from Allahabad University. He was deeply influenced by American botanist Edward Charles Jeffrey, who introduced him to the then-emerging field of modern plant embryology. Maheshwari's vision led him to establish the Department of Botany at the University of Delhi, transforming it into a world-renowned center for plant embryology research. Through his meticulous work, he clarified complex stages of plant reproduction, from pollen germination to the development of the embryo, providing foundational insights into how flowering plants reproduce. Professor Maheshwari's most celebrated achievements lie in his development of revolutionary in vitro techniques. He pioneered test tube fertilization, where he successfully fertilized plant ovules outside the plant body, under carefully controlled laboratory conditions. Even more remarkably, he perfected embryo culture, a technique that allowed immature, underdeveloped embryos to be rescued and grown into complete, mature plants in a test tube. These breakthroughs were not just scientific curiosities, they provided powerful tools for studying plant development and overcoming natural barriers in plant breeding. His work truly opened new doors in plant science. The impact of Professor Maheshwari's work was profound, especially for agriculture. His innovative in vitro techniques offered solutions to a major challenge: overcoming natural breeding barriers between different plant species. This meant scientists could now create new, improved hybrid crops that might not have been possible through traditional breeding methods. For example, combining desirable traits like disease resistance from one species with high yield from another. Moreover, his ability to grow plants in a controlled lab environment allowed for unprecedented observation and experimentation, leading to a much deeper understanding of plant biology. His legacy is fundamental to the entire field of plant tissue culture, which is crucial for modern farming today. Great job absorbing those details. Here are 5 practice questions to help solidify your understanding of Professor Maheshwari's groundbreaking work at the medium level. Take your time and think through each answer. Alright, botanists, let's gear up for the hard level. We are about to explore the deeper scientific implications and applications of Professor Maheshwari's genius. Professor Maheshwari's in vitro techniques were instrumental in addressing a significant challenge in plant breeding, incompatibility. Many plant species cannot naturally interbreed due to various barriers, such as pollen failing to germinate on the stigma or the hybrid embryo aborting early. His embryo culture technique provided a direct solution by allowing scientists to rescue these fragile hybrid embryos before they could abort. By culturing them on a nutrient medium outside the plant, he enabled the successful development of interspecific and intergeneric hybrids, significantly expanding the genetic possibilities for crop improvement. This was a game-changer for plant breeders. Beyond practical applications, Maheshwari's exhaustive embryological studies on a diverse range of angiosperms provided invaluable data for understanding plant evolution and refining classification systems. He meticulously documented the developmental pathways of various reproductive structures, contributing significantly to descriptive embryology. The technique of embryo culture itself involves carefully excising immature embryos and placing them on a precisely formulated, sterile nutrient medium. This bypasses issues like nutrient deficiencies in the seed or the presence of inhibitory substances, allowing the embryo to grow into a healthy plantlet. This ability to obtain viable plants from wide crosses that normally failed in vivo was a monumental scientific advance. Maheshwari's work on embryo culture is considered a foundational pillar for the entire field of plant tissue culture. His research elegantly demonstrated the concept of totipotency, the remarkable ability of a single plant cell to differentiate and develop into a complete, whole plant. This theoretical understanding, coupled with his practical methodologies, paved the way for numerous modern plant biotechnology applications. These include micropropagation, which is the rapid multiplication of plants, haploid breeding, which speeds up the development of new varieties, and genetic transformation, where genes are introduced into plants. His book, An Introduction to the Embryology of Angiosperms, published in 1950, became a globally recognized standard textbook, cementing his international reputation and helping to establish botany as a robust research discipline in India. Excellent work! Now, challenge your knowledge with these 7 practice questions designed to test your understanding at the hard level. Think critically and connect the concepts we've discussed. Prepare for the ultimate challenge. In this hardest level, we'll delve into the intricate details, historical context, and far-reaching impact of Professor Panchanan Maheshwari's extraordinary contributions. In the early 20th century, plant embryology was primarily an observational science. Professor Maheshwari, drawing inspiration from global scientific trends, courageously transformed it into an experimental discipline within India. He was among the first scientists worldwide to successfully achieve in vitro fertilization and embryo culture in flowering plants, a technical feat that was revolutionary at the time. His meticulous and extensive studies on the embryology of diverse angiosperms, including parasitic plants and gymnosperms, not only clarified their complex reproductive cycles but also provided critical evidence that reshaped our understanding of their evolutionary relationships and taxonomic classifications. Let's dissect the engineering behind his in vitro techniques. For test tube fertilization, as demonstrated in plants like Papaver somniferum Maheshwari involved culturing excised ovules or ovaries and then applying germinated pollen in vitro star. This required a precisely formulated synthetic medium containing sugars for energy, essential nutrients, and sometimes growth regulators to support pollen tube growth and fertilization. For embryo culture or embryo rescue, particularly crucial for hybrid embryos prone to abortion, immature embryos were surgically removed from developing seeds. These delicate embryos were then placed on a specialized, sterile nutrient medium. This medium was a carefully balanced cocktail of macro and micronutrients, vitamins, amino acids, and sugars, often supplemented with plant growth regulators like auxins and cytokinins, all designed to promote the embryo's successful maturation and development into a viable plantlet, bypassing the inhibitory conditions in the seed. Maheshwari's biological insights extended deeply into plant classification and development. His work provided robust embryological evidence that clarified the systematics and phylogeny of angiosperms. For example, his studies on families like Podostomacea revealed unique embryological features that supported their specific taxonomic placements. He meticulously described various embryo types, such as Asterad, Solanad, and Onagrad, and investigated the functional roles of structures like the suspensor, significantly advancing comparative embryology. Furthermore, his research into apomictic development, a form of asexual reproduction through seed, in certain plants broadened our understanding of the diverse reproductive strategies plants employ, offering new avenues for genetic stability and propagation in specific agricultural contexts. The enduring legacy of Professor Maheshwari resonates profoundly across multiple scientific and agricultural domains. His in vitro techniques remain indispensable in modern plant breeding for executing wide hybridization programs, allowing breeders to combine desirable traits from distantly related species, thereby enhancing crop resilience and yield. In conservation biology, embryo rescue is a critical tool for propagating endangered plant species from non-viable seeds, offering a lifeline for biodiversity. Horticulturally and forestry, micropropagation, a direct descendant of his tissue culture work, enables the rapid, clonal multiplication of elite plant varieties. Fundamentally, Maheshwari's pioneering efforts laid the empirical and conceptual bedrock for advanced genetic engineering in plants, as in vitro culture is often a prerequisite for the transformation and regeneration of genetically modified organisms. Beyond these technical advancements, he mentored an entire generation of plant scientists, establishing a vibrant school of botanical research in India that continues to thrive and innovate. You've made it to the ultimate challenge. Here are the first 5 questions for the hardest level. These questions require deep critical thinking and the ability to synthesize information from various aspects of Professor Maheshwari's work. Good luck! And here are the final 5 questions for the hardest level. Push your understanding to its limits, connecting all the dots from our journey through Professor Panchanan Maheshwari's groundbreaking contributions to plant reproduction research. You've got this! Congratulations on completing this in-depth exploration of Professor Panchanan Maheshwari's incredible contributions to plant reproduction. We hope you enjoyed learning about this Indian scientific legend. For more engaging and comprehensive educational content across various subjects and levels, visit us at synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates and to continue your learning adventure. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep growing your knowledge.